The sugar sector in India, after two consecutive years of a drought, is gearing up for what is projected to be a fruitful monsoon this year. The industry heavyweight, that's Balrampur Chini, is no different and sees a good monsoon this year, translating into a healthy supply going even into FY18. ET-Now's Krishanu Mukherjee spoke with the company's MD, Vivek Saraogi, and here's what he had to say.
There is enough, let me say loudly and clearly, there is enough stock in the country. We would be ending at about 7 million ton closing stock as on 1st October 2016. So there is enough stock in the country. Monsoon this year, first of all, the prediction is absolutely normal. So yes, we are reeling from a dry spell of last year. But monsoon, I think that should end it. And that should be a very positive indicator for 17-18 production. You know, the sowing of 17-18 gets formed or gets created in this monsoon. So I see that happening.
Exactly, sir. So now that you spoke about the production in 17-18, what sort of an outlook would you have for 17-18 for the sector at large?
Impossible. I can't predict 16-17. Let the data be out from plantation, which will be out sometime in July for 16-17. All I'm giving you is indicators that should the monsoon be good, with that La Nina prediction coming in, and which I definitely think would be normal. If that being the case, then 17-18 production, you can be sure, would be above consumption. So there is no dearth of sugar.
Right, sir. If we were to talk about a normal scenario also, there has been a slight hinge towards prices, rising moderately. How do you see prices shaping up, say, in the coming quarter and the rest of the fiscal?
See, commodities never behave, in a, what should I say, temperate manner. So last year there was an excess of about maybe 2 million. 2 million. Price went to 22. Cost was still where it is. Now this year, you're just getting cost plus maybe just a little bit now, but your average sugar sold till now is below cost. So there is no alarm. And as I was telling somebody, we have a loan given by the government where they picked up the interest of the bank coming due for payment in October. So that can be only paid out of a profit. So we need to put our balance sheet back in order. We need to repay our debts. And all the extra loans given by the central government only to clear cane prices, which was nothing but a loss funding because no bank gave it. So that needs to be cleared. So all this I hope the government can understand and the prices are not going to shoot through the roof.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.